Okay, I'm still taking this front end apart of this F250. I got the ball joints done on the one side, and I got to put it together. But right now I'm trying to get the ball joint apart on this side and not break anything. That's the main thing, is not to break anything. Have some difficulties. This got played in mud 2 years ago, and then it got parked. All the axle tubes were full of water. Like, it's taking me like an hour. This axle tube did not want to come apart because of the water. I'm gonna have to check the diffs and see if there's any water in them. I hope there isn't, but it looks like it might be. I know the splines and stuff have water in them, and they're all full of mud. Apparently that's how bad it is up there. How bad it is. So then I'm gonna beat on some more. I think I need a bigger hammer. Go big or go home. So you whack these until they submit. Oh, there's a bolt there. I gotta watch that. What was that?
That was your brake
Oh,
brake pad. Your other one is there too. You can throw that out. I think I hear your supervisor. Yep, she's over there on your kneeling pad that you found on the side of the highway. Abby!
Yeah, show her cool do. She got a nice do now.
Abby! Can't get her to get up.
Abby, come here! She could just lie down. Is she lying on that dirty pad?
She's lying on the kneeling pad you had over there.
Well, it was just power wash, so it's not too bad.
Yeah.
And she's laying there.
Yeah.
At least you know where she's at.
Looks good though. You can see her right plain.
Good girl. So yeah, this is what we've been doing. Wrestling with this Super Duty. And we had to get some pieces for the ball joint puller, but otherwise, that's all we're up to. I can show, when I get all the parts apart, I'll show you how Baghdad everything is. It's pretty crazy.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what we're up here doing on North Pole. Still haven't visited Santa yet, but we'll make a point to. All right, well, thanks for watching. This is what we're doing. Just working hard. Don't forget to subscribe and see what we're up to.